Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, let us discuss the pronoun topic usage of it. Okay, first pronoun it is used where the for things without life ये ऐसी चीज़ों के बीच में जो क्या होते हैं विदाउट लाइफ यानी कि निर्जीव चीज़ें होती हैं. आई हैव एन एल्बम. इट हैज़ अ नाइस कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टैम्प्स इन इट. यानी एक एल्बम है जिसमें क्या है कलेक्शन है किस चीज़ का स्टैम्प. इट इज़ एन एंथ्रिल. डोंट गो नियर इट. एंथ्रिल है के पास नहीं जाओ. सेकेंड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज एग्जाम्पल के रूप में इट इज़ अ लियोपर्ड. फॉर एनिमल्स इट इज़ अ लियोपर्ड. फॉर यंग चिल्ड्रन एज आई फाउंड अ चाइल्ड इट वॉज लॉस्ट इन द फेयर. नेक्स्ट वन, as a provisional subject before the verb to be when the real subject follow. It is better to starve than beg. इट इज़ बेटर यानी इससे अच्छा है कि टू स्टार्व. स्टार मतलब भूखे मरना. देन बेग यानी भीख मांगने से अच्छा है भूखे मरना. इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी टू ओबे आवर एल्डर्स. हमारा कर्तव्य होता है कि अपने एल्डर्स अपने बड़ों का ड्यू एल्डर्स का क्या करें ओबे आदेश माने. नेक्स्ट वन इज to give emphasis to the noun or pronoun follow as. Who is in the room? It is I. It was I who first come forward and protested. It was he who first started the work. In speaking of the time, distance, weather, temperature यानी कि जब क्या है in the case of time, distance and weather, temperature we use it. It is 6 o'clock now. It was the 3rd of March. It is a long way from here. It is raining hard. It is very hot today. Reflexive pronouns. Note the following things about the usage of reflexive pronoun. Some pronoun ends in self for the singular and selves for plural. The singular reflexive pronoun are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. The plural reflexive pronouns are ourself, yourself, and themselves. We use reflexive pronoun when the action reflects back upon a subject. In other words, the subject and the object of the verb are the same person or things. For example, I hurt myself. We hurt ourselves. You will hurt yourselves. And he hurt himself, she hurt himself, the dog hurt himself, equal they hurt themselves. They hurt themselves. Next one is reflexive pronouns can be as directed object, indirect object, object of a preposition or subject, complement as. First, the boy was hurt himself. Here, himself of direct object. Okay, himself is the direct object of the verb he has hurt. And has hurt का क्या डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है हिमसेल्फ. You should give yourself more time. Time is the direct object and yourself direct object of the verb should be. He looked at himself in the mirror. Himself is the object of the preposition at. He is not himself today. Himself is the subject complement. There are few verbs like absent, avail, pride, overeat, etc. That is always a reflexive pronoun. Why did you absent yourself from school yesterday. They prided themselves on their reputation on honesty. Reflexive pronouns are used after the verb plus preposition but not when the preposition indicates locality as. She spoke to herself. Did he pay himself? They put the child between them, not themselves. Look after yourself. Did you take your dog with you? Not yourself. Okay. Reflexive pronouns are not used as object. Mr. Sharma and I saw it. Nitesh and I went to invite him. I myself went there. You can do it yourself. By plus a reflexive pronoun means unadded or alone. She is by herself all day. Alone. He built the house by himself unaided without help. Emphatic pronouns. The emphatic pronouns have the same form as the reflexive pronouns. It is important to notice the difference between the reflexive pronoun and an emphatic pronoun. The reflexive pronoun is either the object of a verb or preposition or the subject complement. The emphatic pronoun has an emphasizing role and always stands in opposition to a noun or pronoun. The thing itself is not valuable in opposition to the noun things. She herself gave me this box in opposition to the pronoun she. The emphasizing pronoun emphasizes on the subject and the object. If it emphasized subject, it is placed either after the subject or at the end. The principal himself spoke to me after the subject principals. The principal spoke to me himself at the end. If the emphatic pronoun emphasized the object, it must follow the object I met. The queen himself emphasized the object queen. Demonstrative pronouns. Note the following things about the usage of demonstrative pronouns. The words this, that, these, and those are classified as demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those के classified किए गए हैं किस चीज़ के लिए? Demonstrative pronouns के लिए. This is used for the person or things near to the speaker and listener. The plural of this is these. यानी क्या है? स्पीकर या लिसनर यानी कि बोलने वाले या सुनने वाले के पास क्या है? पास के बारे में प्रकट एक सिंगुलर थिंग्स के बारे में होंगे तो क्या हो जाएंगे? सिंगुलर. दिस इज अ पेन. दीज आर पेन्स. पेन्स नंबर मैक्सिमम नंबर में रहेंगे तो क्या हो जाएंगे? दीज आर पेन्स. मैक्सिमम नंबर या फिर मोर देन वन. That is used for the person or thing far from the speaker or listener. The plural of that is those. ये क्या है? Far from the speaker यानी कि दूर की वस्तु के लिए क्या हो जाएंगे? That and those. These and those used as demonstrative pronoun do not refer to people. यानी these those जो है क्या है? रेफर करने के लिए क्या? पीपल को रेफर करने के लिए नहीं है. Note the different usage of demonstrative pronouns. This is my new car. Subject of the verb is. I do not want this, I want that. Object of the verb want. I am going, when what I am going tell you this complement of the verb is. We were sitting there talking about this and that prepositional object. In what questions demonstrative pronouns refer to things as what is this that, what are these those. In who questions and demonstrative pronouns this and that refer to people as who is this, who is that. When we want to introduce people, we can use this as this is Geeta, this is Mrs. Gupta. We can use this for more than one person also. This is Mr. and Mrs. Gupta. The demonstrative pronoun those can refer to people if it is followed by the defining relative clause as those who want a copy of this report must sign their names on this list. Possessive pronouns. Note the following things used about the usage of possessive pronouns. You already know that the words mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs are classed as possessive pronouns. Note the different usage of possessive pronouns in the following sentences. This is my book. Yours is there. यानी ये मेरी बुक है तुम्हारी वहाँ है. He sold his books. I gave mine to the local library. Give these pens to your brother. They are his compliment. Is that child one of yours? Prepositional object. Possessive pronouns are written about apostrophe. Incorrect use, correct use. Yours sincerely, yours sincerely. These ideas are ours. These ideas are ours. This actions of hers. This action of hers. These houses are theirs. These houses are theirs. It is not a possessive pronoun, it is a possessive adjective, so it must be followed by the noun. The dog is hurt its paw. That's all. Thank you. Next pronoun will in next video.